Here I have FairPhone 3, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, you have to go to contacts, select contact which you want to add photo, then tap edit contact, tap on the camera icon to add its photo. Then you can take photo or to just select one from the gallery. Then select photo. Here you can adjust this photo, for example like this, and then tap done and save. And now as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.